Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can find, remove and clean the brewing unit in the ZELMER Coffee Maker Maestro Barista. So in the first step we have to remove the water tank. Remember to make this operation on the unplugged device with no power supply. Remove the water tank firstly. Then the brewing unit is located here. You have to open these doors, and as you can see, there we have the brewing unit. If you want to remove it, you have to turn the wheel to the left side, and after that you can remove the brewing unit and clean it under the top with the special brush that you should find the accessories. I have it here, and remember to do not clean it in the dishwasher. If your brewing unit is clean, put it back and push it until you hear the click sound. It's very important. Okay. It's fit. Good. Close the doors and put your water tank again. Remember to do not use the clothes or something to dry it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.